I walk through valleys where the shadows try to stay. Carried burdens on my shoulders that wouldn't go away. But right there in the silence, when I felt too weak to stand, I heard a whisper in the darkness say, "Child, I've got a plan." He's the God who lifts the lowly. He's the God who takes your hand. And when life says it's impossible, He says, "Watch me, I'm the one who can." 'Cause He's the God who heals, the God who saves, the God who walks with you through every single day. He's the God who speaks peace when the storm won't end, the God who breaks the chains you thought would never bend. There's no mountain too high, no valley too dark for His plan. Yehovah is His name, and He's the God who can. I've seen Him turn my morning into dancing once again. Seen Him open doors I thought were locked and sealed back then. He's the God who parts the waters, makes a way where none began. And when the world says you're defeated, He says, "Rise up, you will stand." He's the God who keeps His promise. Every word is yes and amen. And when hope feels like it's fading, He breathes life into it again. 'Cause He's the God who heals, the God who saves, the God who walks with you through every single day. He's the God who speaks peace when the storm won't end, the God who breaks the chains you thought would never bend. There's no mountain too high, no valley too dark for His plan. Yehovah is His name, and He's the God who can. From the Red Sea to the rugged cross, He's the God